So people have been spreading false information that JPS is intending to lock down the grid. JPS is using this opportunity to inform persons that that is not the case. And I want to use this opportunity to plead to persons. When you see some information on social media, especially if it's not from a trusted source, as in, if you say JPS information and you don't see it on the Gleaner, the Observer, the Star, and you don't see it on JPS website or them social media platform themselves, it more than likely not go so. If you see it anywhere else, if you see me saying it, if you see anybody else say it, go over to JPS website or social media page and see if that information correlates with what is being shared on their platform. If you see something about JCF and you didn't see it on JCF website or page, go over to the JCF website and page and see if you see it there. So it's important because you might think, oh, there's some false information. Nah, kill nobody. False information does hurt. It does hurt because you telling people that JPS was intending to close off the grid at a specific time may force people, pressure people to make decisions that they wouldn't normally do. Please check the information before you spread it, all right?